Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to remove icon and type something in Callout. So let's get started. Begin by opening Notion and navigating to the page where you want to create a callout block. Click on the plus icon to add a new block. Then, select callout for the options provided. Once the callout block is added, you'll see prompts to enter a title and select an icon. However, to create a clean loop without a title or icon, you'll need to insert a blank space and a blank icon. To insert a blank space, simultaneously press the Shift and Space keys on your keyboard. This will create a space without triggering the AI suggestions. Next, you'll need to find a blank icon to upload. Search for an image with a black background on the internet. Save the blank icon image to your device. Back in Notion, click on the icon placeholder in the callout block. Select Custom and then upload the blank icon image you saved earlier. Allow Notion a moment to upload the icon. With the blank icon uploaded, you can now customize the callout block's background color. Choose any color you like. The blank icon will ensure it remains hidden. Finally, you can add your content inside the callout block. Simply click inside the block and start typing or pasting your text, images, or other content. Once you've customized the callout block to your liking, you're done. Your callout block will have a clean, framed appearance without any visible title or icon. That's it for this video. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!